Hey, it's Don, the Auction Professor here. I just wanted to address a major issue that can affect everybody starting this month. If you do promoted listings, I would honestly recommend ending them all right now. Promoted listings changed. In the past, there used to be your own original listing, and then a promoted listing would show up on top as well. Nowadays, there's only one, and it seems to always be the promoted listing that you're paying for. Problem with that is anybody with ad blocker having that on eBay will block every promoted listing you have up there. So potentially everything that you have promoted may not be seen by over half of the population of the globe. I checked this out. I was told that that would not be the case last week from eBay, but apparently that was not correct. That information is not correct. I have seen it now in person. I have seen it recreated here in person. With ad blocker on, your listings will be blocked if ad blocker is on the eBay site itself. So this is anybody looking at your stuff with a laptop, a PC with ad blocker on, won't see the promoted listings. I dug into it even deeper. I called eBay. I also dug into the sites that create the ad blocker. There are tons of people complaining about all the ads and promoted listings across eBay because they do not reflect what they are searching for. Anything you search for on eBay these days, all they do now is pop up a whole bunch of promoted listings up at the top of the page, even if they do not relate to your item. Going to the companies who make the ad blockers, going to eBay, going to Facebook groups, talking about promoted listings. Everywhere, everybody is complaining about that aspect. It has been added into the ad blockers. This just started rolling out this month when the changes were fully taking effect. The changes may not be to everyone yet, but they will be. This is going to be a site-wide thing. No more duplicate listings when they did it for the promoted listing. So you'll just have a promoted, blocked by ad blocker, so no visibility. Half of the population has an ad blocker out. I did a quick survey. I asked people in Facebook group. I asked friends, relatives, business acquaintances, YouTube acquaintances, as well as eBay acquaintances. And almost everybody I talked to uses ad blocker. People are shocked that this is the case because you're paying to get it. Not only that, even if you end your promoted listing right now and never had it visible because it was blocked by people's ads, within the next 30 days, if it sells from the time somebody clicked, you will still pay the promoted listing fee. That's kind of a scam in my book because, again, they're telling you it's going to show up extra special. You're going to have extra promotion of your item, but half the population may not be seeing it. That is very false information for us to tell you to use a promoted listing and then it doesn't do what it's intended. So in this case, using a promoted listing to get more visibility could actually decrease your visibility and hurt your store. I am not recommending promoted listings to anybody. I will not use them again. You've got the marketing section in there. You can do your own markdown and sale on your own. You don't have to pay eBay for it. eBay is trying to make the money off of us. That's not the right way to do it. Most people are getting aggravated on search results because of all the promoted listings. And now not only are they going to be ticking off those searching on eBay and getting bombarded with a ton of promoted listings, making them turn on ad blocker, but you are not going to get the visibility you were promised by the promoted listing. That is not right. I feel totally cheated out by the promoted listing aspect. Again, even if you end it now for 30 days from the time somebody clicked, you're still going to be paying for that visibility that you may not have gotten. That has got to be wrong. That has got to be the wrong thing to do. That's just the wrong way to do it. Don't do promoted listings. Spread the word to everybody you know. Tell them what is going on. Tell them to look it up themselves. I have personally now seen it with my own eyes. Listings blocked before this. I've spent a lot of time looking into this to make sure that this is accurate and this is what's going on. It is. I've seen it in person, in front of my own eyes, where ads, the only version of a listing, were gone because ad blocker was on. So even if you've got it on, you're not getting the visibility you were promised to do the promoted listings. Spread the word. I honestly recommend you to doing that. You can save your friends, the people that you know and deal with, some time and aggravation. You'll get their sales back going. They'll be happy with you. So again, this is what's going on. Drop promoted listings. I would not recommend them to anybody. So again, spread the word to everybody you know. Your listing may have way less visibility with the promoted listing than without. So don't use promoted listings anymore. eBay does know this is going on, but has not addressed it from what I see at all. I don't know if there is a way to do it if they're doing them as a ad, as a promoted listing, because any ad blocker, anything they change, the ad blocker as well can change to block the new way they are doing it. So I don't know what the fix is for it, but the fix is not for sellers to use promoted listings. A seller should not use promoted listings unless you want to lose visibility for your items from half the population of the globe. That's what I have for you today. Hopefully that helps you spread the word. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified if I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell a friend.